If you open almost any list of the most popular Linux distributions over the past few years, one name keeps appearing near the very top: MX Linux. For many people who are new to Linux, this might come as a surprise. They expect to see names like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Linux Mint dominating the charts. But quietly and consistently, MX Linux has built a reputation as one of the most practical, stable, and user-friendly Linux operating systems available today. In 2026, MX Linux continues to attract both beginners and experienced users who want a lightweight, fast, and reliable system that simply works without unnecessary complexity. To understand why MX Linux has become so popular, it helps to start with its philosophy. Many Linux distributions focus on either cutting-edge features or deep customization. Some aim to look modern and flashy, while others are designed mainly for developers or advanced users. MX Linux takes a different approach. Its main goal is to create a system that is stable, efficient, easy to use, and capable of running well even on older hardware. It tries to give users powerful tools without overwhelming them, and it prioritizes performance and reliability over trends. MX Linux is built on the Debian Stable branch, which is widely respected in the Linux world for its reliability and long-term stability. Debian itself is one of the oldest and most influential Linux distributions, and many other popular systems, such as Ubuntu, are based on it. By using Debian Stable as its foundation, MX Linux benefits from a massive ecosystem of software packages and years of testing that ensure the system runs smoothly. However, MX Linux is not just Debian with a different logo. The developers have added many custom tools, performance optimizations, and usability improvements that make the system feel polished and beginner-friendly. The result is a distribution that feels stable, like Debian, but easier to use right out of the box. One of the first things users notice when installing MX Linux is how lightweight it feels. In a world where operating systems are becoming heavier and more resource-hungry every year, MX Linux takes pride in being efficient. It runs comfortably on machines with modest hardware, including older laptops and desktops that might struggle with modern versions of Windows or heavier Linux environments. The default desktop environment in MX Linux is Xfce. Xfce has long been known as one of the most efficient and responsive desktop environments available on Linux. It avoids unnecessary animations and heavy visual effects while still providing a clean, modern interface that is easy to navigate. When you first log into MX Linux, you are greeted with a simple yet polished desktop layout that feels familiar even to users coming from Windows. The panel at the bottom of the screen includes a menu, taskbar, system tray, and quick access to commonly used applications. The application menu organizes programs into categories such as Internet, Multimedia, Office, and System tools, making it easy for new users to find what they need. File management is handled by the Thunner file manager, which is fast, simple, and intuitive. Because Xfce uses fewer system resources than many other desktop environments, MX Linux can boot quickly and remain responsive even when running on older hardware. This is one of the main reasons people choose MX Linux when they want to revive an aging computer that no longer performs well with modern operating systems. Another major strength of MX Linux is the set of custom tools that the developers provide. These tools are often referred to as MX tools, and they are one of the defining features that make MX Linux stand out from other distributions. MX tools bring together a collection of utilities designed to simplify system management, tasks that might otherwise require complex commands. For example, MX Package Installer provides a graphical interface for installing software. Instead of searching through complicated package lists or using command line tools, users can browse categories or search for applications and install them with just a few clicks. The installer includes packages from the Debian repositories as well as curated software from the MX Linux team. Another extremely useful tool is MX Snapshot. This tool allows users to create a complete snapshot of their current system, including installed applications, configurations, and personal settings. The snapshot can then be used to create a custom ISO image that can be installed on another computer or restored later. For advanced users, this makes it easy to build and distribute customized Linux systems. MX Boot Options is another helpful utility that allows users to configure various boot settings without editing complicated configuration files. Users can adjust kernel options, select boot parameters, or troubleshoot startup issues directly through a simple graphical interface. There are also tools for managing system services, cleaning up disk space, configuring hardware drivers, and maintaining system performance. All of these utilities are designed to make system administration easier for both beginners and experienced users. Another feature that makes MX Linux particularly appealing is its flexibility. While the default version uses the Xfce desktop, the distribution also offers other additions for users who prefer different environments. In recent years, the MX team has introduced versions using KDE Plasma and Fluxbox. The KDE edition provides a more visually modern and customizable desktop environment with advanced features. While still maintaining the stability and performance benefits of the MX Linux base, Fluxbox, on the other hand, is an extremely lightweight window manager that is ideal for very old or resource-limited systems. This flexibility means that MX Linux can adapt to different types of users and hardware setups. Someone with a modern computer might enjoy the feature-rich KDE environment, while someone trying to revive a 10-year-old laptop might prefer the minimal resource usage of Fluxbox. Security and stability are also key aspects of the MX Linux design philosophy. Because the distribution is based on Debian Stable, it receives carefully tested updates rather than constant experimental changes. This means users are less likely to encounter bugs or system instability after updates. At the same time, the MX Linux team provides its own repositories that include newer versions of certain applications when appropriate. This balanced approach ensures that the system remains reliable while still giving users access to modern software. Another important feature that many users appreciate is the live USB capability. Like many Linux distributions, MX Linux can run directly from a USB drive without being installed on a computer. This allows users to test the system before installing it. However, MX Linux takes this concept further with enhanced live features. The distribution supports persistent storage on live USB drives, meaning changes can be saved between sessions. Users can install software, save files, and configure settings while running the system from USB, and those changes will remain the next time the drive is used. This makes MX Linux a powerful portable operating system that can be carried anywhere. Performance is another area where MX Linux shines, because the system is optimized to minimize background processes and unnecessary services. It often feels faster than many other distributions. Applications launch quickly, the desktop remains responsive, and system resources are used efficiently. This efficiency also means that MX Linux can extend the useful life of older hardware. Many computers that struggle with modern operating systems can run MX Linux smoothly. This has made the distribution particularly popular among users who want to avoid throwing away older machines. Another reason MX Linux has gained popularity is its strong and supportive community. The developers actively engage with users through forums and community platforms where people can ask questions, report issues, and share ideas. This collaborative environment helps the distribution improve over time and ensures that new users can find help when they need it. Documentation is also an area where MX Linux excels. The project provides detailed manuals and guides that explain how to use various features of the system. These resources make it easier for beginners to learn. Linux, while also helping advanced users explore more complex capabilities, software availability is another important factor when choosing a Linux distribution, and MX Linux performs well in this area thanks to its Debian base. The Debian repositories contain tens of thousands of software packages covering everything from productivity tools and programming environments to multimedia applications and games. Common applications, such as web browsers, office suites, media players, and development tools can all be installed easily. Popular programs like Firefox, LibreOffice, VLC, and GIMP are either included by default or available through the package manager. For users who want access to even more software, MX Linux also supports Flatpak packages. Flatpak is a modern package format that allows applications to run in a sandboxed environment and provides easy access to many of the latest Linux apps through repositories like FlatHub. Customization is another area where MX Linux performs well. The Xfce desktop allows users to change themes, icons, panel layouts, window styles, and many other aspects of the interface. This means users can personalize their system to match their preferences without needing advanced technical knowledge. Despite its lightweight design, MX Linux still supports modern hardware and technologies. It includes drivers for a wide range of devices and supports features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, printers, and graphics acceleration. Hardware detection during installation is generally reliable, making it easier for new users to get started without troubleshooting. Installation itself is another area where MX Linux focuses on simplicity. The MX Linux installer guides users through the process step by step, allowing them to select language, keyboard layout, time zone, and disk configuration. Even users who have never installed Linux before can usually complete the installation without difficulty. Another interesting feature that sets MX Linux apart is its focus on user control. Unlike some operating systems that hide system details or enforce rigid structures, MX Linux gives users the ability to understand and modify their system if they choose. The MX tools provide graphical interfaces for many tasks, but the underlying Linux system remains accessible for those who want to explore deeper. This balance between simplicity and control is one of the reasons MX Linux appeals to such a wide range of users. Beginners can enjoy a stable and easy-to-use system, while advanced users still have the power and flexibility they expect from Linux. Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, MX Linux continues to evolve while maintaining its core principles. The developers focus on improving performance, refining tools, and ensuring compatibility with modern hardware, while preserving the lightweight nature that made the distribution popular in the first place. In a world where technology often moves toward heavier software and increasing complexity, MX Linux represents a different philosophy. It demonstrates that an operating system can be powerful, efficient, and user-friendly at the same time. For anyone exploring Linux for the first time, MX Linux offers an excellent entry point. It combines the stability of Debian, the efficiency of Xfce, and a suite of practical tools that simplify everyday tasks. The result is an operating system that feels approachable, while still delivering the performance and reliability that Linux is known for. For experienced users, MX Linux offers a dependable platform that can be customized and optimized for many different use cases. Whether someone is building a portable live system, reviving an old laptop, or simply looking for a fast and stable daily driver, MX Linux provides the tools and flexibility needed to get the job done. As more people search for alternatives to traditional operating systems, lightweight distributions like MX Linux are becoming increasingly relevant. The ability to run smoothly on older hardware, combined with strong community support and a thoughtful design philosophy, ensures that MX Linux will remain an important part of the Linux ecosystem for years to come. In the end, MX Linux proves that popularity does not always come from flashy marketing or cutting-edge features. Sometimes the most successful technology is simply the one that works reliably, respects system resources, and makes life easier for its users. That is exactly what MX Linux continues to deliver in 2026. And it is why so many people around the world are choosing it as their Linux distribution of choice.